Alright, so haven't seen this E36 in a while, but it's still there. As you can see, I put the ZHP wheels on just because the Conti DWSs on this are way better street tires than the RS4s that I have. Anyways, I've still been working with URO parts, and one of my most recent parts they've sent me are some jack pads. So let's take a look at why I need jack pads. The car's pretty low, but if you look underneath, you can see these jack pads are pretty good. Except there's no actual rubber pad under there. So if you look at this one, it's starting to get torn up a little bit more than I'd like. It's the same story on the other side. There's a bunch of surface rust on all of them. I can't really fix any of that out here. Let's see. Hopefully that's a good angle. Yeah. So as you can see, it's just getting torn up real bad right over here. And something I want to address, because the more and more tire changes I do on this thing, the more it's going to get torn up. So let's take a look at what they sent me and what we're going to do. So we got these jack pads right here. That's the part number. These are the same as the original ones that have probably fallen off a long time ago. What I'm going to do is clean the body of the vehicle with some rinseless wash and a microfiber. We're going to spray some WD-40 on these jack pads so they slide on real nice, and then that will be good to go. Alright, so we got the jack pad lubed up, base of it cleaned. All we're going to do is pop it in. And with this all done, I'm still going to come back and check on this in about a year. Definitely touch up all the surface rust areas with a little bit of rust converter and some proper undercoating. And we should have a much more trouble-free life with this E36. Thank you guys for watching.